Hi everyone, so I'm back with another digital, and this is an add-on to the Blue Dreams journal pages that I done the other day. I am making my journal as we speak, so these are the pages. So that's the I've printed on the backs of them with other things as well. Got some pockets in there. I've got just bits going on right now, so I thought, right, I need to do an add-on for this so I can complete the journal, and I'll show you in a second. I'm just going to do a quick flip of what I've done so far with the pages. Okay, right, so it's 10 pages, and we have got, I will put a link below to this and to the journal page kit. Yeah, so we've got these tags. We've got these framed photos, which are like Polaroids. We have some pockets. We've got some floral tags, blue floral tags. Then here we've got some ephemera embellishments, little tags here. And then we've got some background pages, which I've been using to make, well, this was the cover, and you can use it to do other things with. I've used these for pockets, made these little, I'll show you what I've done with these, if I can find it. Yeah, so the smaller one there, I kind of used my tear ruler and just kind of tore it about there, and just put these little borders on. I'm going to put some lace on them as well, so you get two the same size, one a little bit wider. You could use them as belly bands. And then here we have got some, this is some blue French wallpaper. So that is the add-on kit if you're interested. Like I said, the link will be below, alongside the link to the journal pages. Thanks to those that have bought it already, and I'm enjoying using this and can't wait to finish the journal now. So links will be below. Bye for now.